Welcome to the first video lesson with time optimization. In this lesson, we're going to be covering how to time block and why we should employ it. We only get 24 hours in a day, so why do some people seem to get so much done? Since we all get the same amount of time, it must not be wasted. Every hour must have intention. High performers don't spend 8 hours on tasks every single day. So don't get me wrong, blocking may not be for certain jobs, but in terms of building systems and processes for your business, working out, or even meal prepping, it's an amazing way to be efficient. By using these time blocks, we'll be more significant with our time. Being intentional and significant are two different things though. So I introduced concepts to you called negotiables. Negotiables might be mowing the lawn, getting a haircut, or cleaning the garage. The other end of the spectrum consists of non-negotiables. Non-negotiables include all of your priorities on your priority list. These are things that must be done in order to live a life of significance. So this is what a simple Monday through Friday with time blocking will look like. And this is what it looks like for me.
Alright guys, so basically what I got here is a calendar, Monday through Friday, very basic. And you already have your priorities set, like you already know your top priorities. You have your non-negotiables, you know what those are, and you know what you need to accomplish for the week. So, of course, this is our weekly planner, and we're going over this on the weekend for what we need to do this week. But typically, this is my schedule. So, in the morning, the green will represent creating space. I always create space in the morning. You know, what am I grateful for? What went good and bad the day before. I like to reflect and always improve on things that are either wasting my time or benefiting my life. So I create space in the morning and what I'm grateful for, and just really letting the day soak in the very beginning. Always creating space, always time blocking for space. The next thing is training. I typically do not like to train in the mornings. I feel a lot better when I train in the afternoon, evenings, after a lot of food and everything else throughout my day. So basically with this, I always set the same time block in for training, the same time every single day typically, unless I get called into work. This changes obviously, which is why I go over my weekly planner and what shift I work for the week. But typically I time block my training as well. Next, we have training. So this includes all of the business trainings, hot seats, round tables, and any training that I have with the team. So on Mondays, of course, we have our round table. What am I going to do on those? Well, we're going to go over, what we're going to go over on the round tables. Our new thing with our hot seats, I will be doing those typically in the morning, afternoon now. Do those on Wednesdays and Fridays, so I time block that. Everything else could be work, might, all of a sudden call me, hey, we need you to work. So, and it may be on a Thursday. So everything in between here is canceled now because of work. And those will usually be negotiables anyways. So what I typically like to do in terms of building blocks, like building market systems, I'll put one here. Maybe later in the evening, I'll put building a coaching system here. Building new levels and things for you guys and videos. Maybe I want to build some content time in here. But of course, I have consultations and, the business needs to grow. All of those time blocks are in here. And that's how I do my day, is everything is blocked for me. So because of this, it allows me to implement these things very intensely. I put all I can into these because that is all I get. I just get that hour, or I just get those 2 hours. So
I hope this gives you more of a clear understanding about how we are going to execute on your goals by making the time to be able to execute. I'll see you in the next video.